Oh, this being on the water. This is nice. First cast. Nothing.
Blanchard put this spot on YouTube.
For real.
Been out here long?
Nah, I just got here. But these guys been here for a minute too, so.
Brother, you have going?
You take care. Any luck?
I got one.
A-rig?
What's that?
What'd you use?
I actually got it on a Nico rig.
Nice.
Yeah. I was kind of hoping it might make him a little more active.
Right, But these guys, nope. I thought the same thing, but I tried not to have my hopes too high, so. On the bright side, it's a nice day.
That's what we said earlier.
You take care. Any luck?
One decent one.
Nice.
One apiece.
I'm hoping to get one.
It's not fishing for everybody out here.
Yeah.
They want it slow today.
Yeah. Take it real slow. You guys take care. We can go to the bass spot, but we'll stay here for a little bit. I'm waiting for that high tide to come. Ooh. There's something under me. Something bigger under me. Go ahead, net rig. Alright. That's what people were catching, you know. I'm just playing around at this point. I like it out here. It's nice. Give me a salmon. I want a salmon. I hate working stuff slow. Ooh, there's something under me. Josh, keep throwing over here. I'm marking stuff under me. Yeah. Oh, there's hella stuff under me. What the hell? So you look so determined to catch something on the A-rig. Hey man, can you grab it and cut the line? We're just lucky it came down like that. I see where it went. It went up the thing, in between the little tiny crack, and then over. I don't know how, but somehow it did. Ooh. Dang, I just put a float on this one too. Me too. I was thinking of Josh when I tied on my jig.
What?
You said we tied on the jig for you. The A-rig is a workout, bro. Let's get to the other spot. So it's like rocky. Nothing.
Yeah, we tried. Hard up fish out there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Maybe 60 to 100 fish?
That's
Dude,
crazy.
Probably about like this during schools up there.
Oh dang.
Yeah, maybe about, maybe about a mile up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. I thought they were carp, but they didn't look like carp.
Yeah. White?
No, they were dark.
Oh, weird.